अब हम PYQs पे देखें. इंडिया गेट्स मैक्सिमम रेनफॉल मेनली फ्रॉम साउथ वेस्ट मानसून. साउथ वेस्ट मानसून इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर 75 to 90% of India's total annual rainfall. It is caused by the formation of low pressure area over northwestern India due to intense summer heating. April-May intertropical zone shift northward drawing moisture laden winds from Indian Ocean. ठीक. Southeast trade winds southeast trade winds cross the equator and get deflected due to Coriolis force, becoming the southwest monsoon. This monsoon enters India via two branches. Arabian Sea branch causes heavy rainfall along the western Ghat. Bay of Bengal branch causes rainfall in northeast and Gangetic fronts. According to IMD, Indian Meteorological Department 2021, southwest monsoon contribute most of the India's rainfall. Northeast monsoon, also known as retreating monsoon, active during October-December, brings rainfall mainly in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha. Tamil Nadu receives 50 to 60% of its total annual rainfall from the northeast monsoon, limited influence on overall rainfall in India. Retreating monsoon देखा जाए, part of the northeast monsoon occurring when the southwest monsoon withdraws, associated with cyclonic storms in the Bay of Bengal causing rainfall in eastern and southeastern coastal areas, does not contribute significantly to the total annual rainfall. Convectional rainfall caused by intense heating of the land surface leading to rising air currents and rainfall. Convectional caused by intense heating of the land surface leading to rising air currents and rainfall. Occurs mostly at the equatorial region and as pre-monsoonal showers in India. Convectional rainfall जैसे मैंगो शावर इन केरला एंड कर्नाटका, नॉट द प्राइमरी कॉज ऑफ इंडिया रेनफॉल. ठीक है. द स्टेट विच रिसीव्स मैक्सिमम रेनफॉल ड्यू टू नॉर्थ ईस्ट मानसून इज तमिलनाडु. नॉर्थ ईस्ट मानसून की वजह से जो सबसे ज़्यादा मतलब वो रिसीव करता है वो तमिलनाडु है. तमिलनाडु रिसीव्स 50 to 60% of its annual rainfall from northeast monsoon October-December में. The retreating monsoon winds pick up moisture from Bay of Bengal and leading to heavy rainfall in Tamil Nadu and coastal Andhra Pradesh. Other states receives most of their rainfall from southwest monsoon. Assam receives most of its rainfall from southwest monsoon. Heavy rainfall occur due to orographic effect in eastern Himalayas. West Bengal experience heavy rainfall due to Bay of Bengal branch of southwest monsoon. Sundarban and Kolkata receive monsoonal rainfall but not from the northeast monsoon. Odisha gets major rainfall from southwest monsoon and cyclonic storm from Bay of Bengal. The northeast monsoon has minimal effect in Odisha's rainfall. Who among the following states gets the highest average rainfall? इसमें किसमें? अरुणाचल, सिक्किम, केरला, जम्मू में तो सिक्किम. लेकिन अभी 2021 के डाटा के अकॉर्डिंग गोवा रिसीव द हाईएस्ट रेनफॉल. अकॉर्डिंग टू IMD 2021 डाटा, हाईएस्ट एवरेज एनुअल रेनफॉल अक्वर्स इन गोवा 3947.2 mm. ईस्टर्न हिमालय, सिक्किम एंड अरुणाचल एंड द वेस्टर्न घाट्स केरला आल्सो रिसीव हाई रेनफॉल. एवरेज देखा जाए, अरुणाचल 2083.8 mm, सिक्किम 3043.3 mm, केरला 3606.3 mm, जम्मू 894.7 mm. ठीक है. सिक्किम से ज़्यादा तो केरला को वो हो रहा है. अरुणाचल रिसीव हैवी रेनफॉल ड्यू टू ओरोग्राफिक इफेक्ट of the Himalayas. Annual rainfall 2083.8 mm. Kerala Western Ghat cause heavy rainfall from the Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon. Annual rainfall 3606.3. Jammu Kashmir lies in the rain shadow area, receiving least rainfall in the Himalayan region. इसका वो annual rainfall क्या है? 894.7 mm. Which among the following pairs of places have most marked difference in total annual rainfall, though located approximately along the same latitude? Bengaluru and Chennai, Mumbai and Visakhapatnam, अजमेर एंड शिलोंग. हाँ, अजमेर और शिलोंग. अजमेर राजस्थान है, शिलोंग नॉर्थ ईस्ट में है. ठीक, तो बिल्कुल रहेगा भाई. अजमेर राजस्थान एंड शिलोंग मेघालय is located along 26 to 27 degree north latitude but have a huge rainfall difference. Ajmer receives 587 mm per annum और शिलोंग ईस्ट खासी हिल्स receives 5160.8 mm per annum. ठीक, शिलोंग is affected by orographic effect in the Meghalaya hills whereas Ajmer lies in semi-arid region. Bengaluru and Chennai. Bengaluru 900 mm, Chennai 1200 mm have moderate differences but are not extreme. Chennai also get northeast monsoon rainfall. ठीक, Mumbai Visakhapatnam both receive rainfall due to coastal influence. Mumbai 242 centimeter versus Visakhapatnam 111 centimeter. Difference is not extreme as Ajmer or Shillong. नागपुर कोलकाता 160 सेंटीमीटर, नागपुर 120 सेंटीमीटर, लेकिन ये भी उतना अधिक नहीं है. द एवरेज एनुअल रेनफॉल average annual temperature of a meteorological station is 26 degrees Celsius. Its average annual rainfall is 63 centimeter and annual range temperature is 9 degrees Celsius. एनुअल रेंज टेम्परेचर, तो ये लगभग किसका द स्टेशन इन, देखिए 63 सेंटीमीटर मतलब रेनफॉल भी है और लगभग 26 डिग्री सेल्सियस, तो ये साउथ में ही होना चाहिए. एवरेज एनुअल रेंज टेम्परेचर इज 9 डिग्री सेल्सियस, तो ये चेन्नई है. Chennai has an annual temperature of 26 degrees Celsius, average rainfall 60 to 70 centimeter. Experience a temperature range of 8 to 9 degrees Celsius. Characteristics of coastal city. ठीक है, winter temperature 24 degrees Celsius, summer 30 degrees Celsius. Allahabad is an extreme continental climate with higher temperature variation. Rainfall is more than 100 centimeter. Cherrapunji, one of the wettest places on earth, receiving 11,872 mm rainfall annually, does not match the 63 centimeter rainfall criteria. Kolkata receive high rainfall 160 centimeter, does not match the given temperature range. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of the given Indian cities in the decreasing order of their normal annual rainfall? अच्छा, डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में, तो सबसे पहले अब देखा जाए कोलकाता में सबसे ज़्यादा बारिश होती है केरला में, तो सबसे पहले होगा कोची, फिर कोलकाता, फिर दिल्ली, फिर पटना. ठीक, according to rainfall statistic of India 2021, the correct sequence of decreasing the order of rainfall: Kochi, Ernakulam, Kerala receives heavy rainfall due to Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon as located on the windward side of the Western Ghat. ठीक, Kolkata gets rainfall primarily from Bay of Bengal branch of monsoon. ठीक, पटना receives monsoonal rainfall but less than Kolkata. Delhi is a semi-arid region with lower annual rainfall compared to the above cities. Okay. मतलब पहले कोच्चि, फिर कोलकाता, फिर पटना, फिर दिल्ली. अच्छा, ये देख लीजिए, कोलकाता कोच्चि एर्नाकुलम 3931.9 mm, कोलकाता 2451.5 5 mm, पटना 1099.6 mm, दिल्ली न्यू दिल्ली 904.4 mm। ठीक, अभी क्या हो गया है 1187.1 mm। ठीक है। मैंगो सोवर इज क्या है? सोवर ऑफ मैंगो नहीं नहीं। रेनफॉल इन मार्च अप्रैल बिहार एंड बंगाल नहीं नहीं। अरे भाई इसमें तो कुछ भी नहीं है, ये तो केरला और उसमें आता है कर्नाटक में प्री मानसून सोवर इन केरला एंड कर्नाटक। मैंगो sowers are pre-monsoon sowers in Kerala and Karnataka that help in ripening the mangoes. They are also called April rains or summer sowers. Sower occur due to thunderstorm formed over by Bay of Bengal. The sower occur due to thunderstorm formed over the Bay of they prevent premature dropping of mangoes, benefiting horticulture and agriculture. ठीक है। सोवर ऑफ मैंगोज होने रेनफॉल इन मार्च अप्रैल इन बिहार एंड बंगाल गलत है, क्योंकि मैंगो सोवर अकोर मेनली इन साउथ इंडिया केरला कर्नाटका गोवा एंड कोंकण रेंज। बिहार एंड बंगाल एक्सपीरियंस काल बैसाखी नॉर वेस्टर्स विच आर वायलेंट थंडर स्टॉर्म्स नॉर मैंगो सोवर। Mango showers are common phenomena in which state of India? Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Sorry, Kerala and Karnataka. कहाँ गया? Kerala and Karnataka. Mango shower are mainly observed in Kerala and Karnataka due to proximity to Arabian Sea. The phenomena extend to Goa and Konkan regions. कहाँ गोवा और कोंकण regions? They help in ripening of mangoes and coffee plantations. उत्तर प्रदेश एंड तमिलनाडु रिसीव नॉर्थ ईस्ट मानसून अक्टूबर दिसंबर, नॉट मैंगो सोवर्स। Towards the end of summer, there are pre-monsoon showers, which are common phenomena in Kerala and coastal area of Karnataka. Locally, they are known as mango showers. नॉर्वेस्टर्स तो उसमें बंगाल और असम में चलता है, मार्च अप्रैल में थंडर स्टॉर्म टाइप होता है। ठीक। मैंगो showers are pre-monsoon showers occurring in Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Konkan region during March to May. They are also called April rains or summer showers. Blossom showers. These showers occur in Tamil Nadu and part of Kerala and help in flowering of coffee plant. Blossom showers. Nor'westers, Kayal Baisakhi, occur in West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Odisha, causing thunderstorm and heavy rainfall. Among the following places, which one gets the least rainfall? तो ले 4.17 centimeter, lowest in India. बीकानेर 32.84 centimeter, जैसलमेर 31.67, लोवेस्ट इन राजस्थान। लोवेस्ट में सबसे ज़्यादा कौन पानी वो करता है? जैसलमेर। चेरापूंजी 1100 सेंटीमीटर, वन ऑफ द वेटेस्ट प्लेस इन अर्थ ऑन अर्थ। ठीक है। बीकानेर एंड जैसलमेर आर दी cities are in third desert arid climate, but they receive more rainfall than Leh. Cherrapunji wettest place in the world with annual rainfall exceeding 1100 centimeter. Which one of the following places has the lowest annual rainfall? तो अभी ऊपर हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था किसका? लेह का। लेह 4.17 receive the lowest annual rainfall in India as it is in a rainosaid rain region of the Himalaya block monsoon winds preventing significant precipitation. बेल्लारी कर्नाटक में है, रिसीव स्लाइटली लेस देन 60 सेंटीमीटर रेनफॉल एनुअली. जैसलमेर, driest state in a city in Rajasthan but receive more rainfall than Leh, 31.67 cm. Jodhpur lies in semi-arid region of Rajasthan, receiving approximately 37 centimeter rainfall annually. Cherrapunji is located in Meghalaya. Cherrapunji Swara, located in Meghalaya, is one of the wettest places on earth. It receives annual rainfall of over 11,000 mm. It lies in the East Khasi Hills and experiences orographic rainfall due to moisture-laden Bay of Bengal branch of South West Monsoon. Mysore, Meghalaya holds the record of highest annual rainfall in India. Assam receives heavy rainfall 200 to 400 centimeter annually, but does not contain Cherrapunji. Manipur and Mizoram, these northeastern states receive moderate to heavy rainfall but do not experience rainfall as high as Meghalaya. चलिए बाकी अगले पार्ट में करते हैं. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.